Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Blue Archive crashing on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the upper left corner of your screen and click on Library. This will take you to your full list of games. Now, I don't actually have Blue Archive in my library list, but I'll walk you through the next steps anyway. Let's pretend that I have Blue Archive installed, or that I'm using Blue Archive for this demonstration. What you'll want to do is right-click on Blue Archive in your library, then select Properties from the menu that appears. This will open up a new window with various settings for the game. In the Properties window, look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle. Go ahead and toggle it off. Turning off the Steam overlay can actually help prevent crashes, since Blue Archive is known to crash when overlay features try to inject themselves into the game. This simple change often resolves stability issues that many players experience. Next, navigate to the left panel of the Properties window and click on Installed Files. This section contains important tools for managing your game's local data. Once you're in Installed Files, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check all of your game files and replace any that are corrupted or missing. Steam will now scan through everything and make sure your installation is complete and error-free. Give it a moment to finish checking and repairing any files that need attention. Now, beyond these Steam-specific fixes, you also need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of game crashes. Updated drivers fix crashes and bugs while also providing better hardware support for newer games like Blue Archive. Head to your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether that's Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver version for your specific GPU model. After updating your drivers and applying these Steam settings, restart your computer to make sure all changes take effect properly. When you launch Blue Archive again, it should run much more smoothly without those frustrating crashes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.